I thank the press for coming here today. Ready?
आगे आपका mic.
Now silence please.
Can
Thank
Shefali
you
say
all.
something?
Thank you all for coming here this afternoon. I know we've had a grand opening on the 19th, but my mother, Dr. Trasi, considers Sushmita as her mentor, her good luck charm. So her best wishes was most important to us in this clinic. We all know that Dr. Trasi has been practicing dermatology for the past 30 years. She's been to national, international conferences, been a chairperson, being a moderator for few of them. She's been trained in dermatology, cosmetology, and is also a dermatosurgeon. And so we've decided to start a brand called as La Piel. La Piel in French means the skin. That means this clinic is going to deal with all the problems which are related to the skin, hair, and nails. We have a team of qualified dermatologists who will be taking care of all the patients. We have a number of surgeries happening, number of procedures happening. So along with the routine dermatology, cosmetology cases, we will be also dealing with procedures which includes hair transplantation, vitiligo surgeries, that is white patch surgeries. It is considered to be a stigma in our country. So taking care of those patients is most important to us. Acne scars, acne, which is considered to be a psychological problem in our teenagers. So scar surgeries will be happening, something to do with pigmentation because we hate black pigment on our body anywhere. So something to do with pigmentation, anti-aging. We are very well aware of Botox fillers, but in this new clinic we are going to start something called as a gene-based therapy for anti-aging. It is called as nutrigenomics, where your own genes will be used to make anti-aging tablets, creams. Now Dr. Trasi has tried to bring about the international standards to India and reach out to the people of India. Thank you.
Thank you, Shefali. Wow. Okay. You want to ask? Should I say something? मैं बोलूं? आपको याद होगा अंधेरी में भी some months back we did an opening of Dr. Trasi's Andheri branch of La Piel, and 10 साल में जब से मैं उनसे पहली दफ़ा मिली और मैं उनसे उस वक्त मिली जब मैं ब्यूटी ट्रीटमेंट के लिए नहीं आ रही थी. आई हैड अ सीरियस स्किन कंडीशन और मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बताऊंगी, इट्स अ सीक्रेट, बट इट वाज अ प्रॉब्लम दैट एज एन एक्टर I needed immediate assistance because वो फैल रहा था and it was a very, very acute, chronic problem. She's the only doctor I know, and I say this with such honesty, कि मैं उनके चेंबर में घुसी हूँ, इधर आओ, अंदर आओ, बैठ जाओ, this is what you have. मतलब छुआ नहीं है, देखा नहीं है, and I'm just like, I've been to 5 doctors and nobody's been able to diagnose it in the first shot. She just looked at it and said, this is what you have. And from that day, me, Renee, Alisa, my mother, every lady I know who comes from any part of the world, they always just come to have at least a cup of tea with Dr. Trasi because they know that when they walk into her chambers, they will go back feeling like they have been looked after. And if there was something wrong